Top 10 Tips for Productivity. In today's busy world, staying productive can be challenging. Many people struggle to manage their time and get things done efficiently, whether you're working, studying, or handling personal projects. Improving your productivity can help you achieve your goals faster and with less stress. Many people face common productivity problems such as procrastination, distraction, poor time management, lack of motivation, inefficient work habits. These problems can lead to stress, missed deadlines, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. This guide aims to identify key issues that hinder productivity, provide practical tips to improve your productivity, help you create better work habits. 1. Set clear goals. Defining what you want to achieve is the first step to being productive. Clear goals give you direction and purpose, making it easier to focus on what's important. Start by setting long-term goals, then break them down into short-term objectives. This way, you have a roadmap to follow and can measure your progress along the way. Number 2, make a to-do list. Writing down the tasks you need to complete helps you stay organized and focused. A to-do list serves as a visual reminder of what needs to be done. Prioritize your list by labeling each task as high, medium, or low importance. This ensures you tackle the most critical tasks first, helping you make the most of your time. Number 2, make a to-do list. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more important than others and should be completed first. Rank your tasks by importance and urgency. Focus on high-priority tasks that align with your goals. Number 4, take regular breaks. Short breaks help you recharge and stay productive over the long term. Working non-stop can lead to fatigue and decreased efficiency. Taking regular breaks allows your mind to rest and reset, improving your focus and creativity when you return to work. Try to take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour to keep your energy levels high. Number 5, eliminate distractions. Distractions are productivity killers. Find a quiet place to work where you won't be interrupted. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer to minimize interruptions. If necessary, inform others that you need some uninterrupted time to focus on your tasks. Creating a distraction-free environment helps you concentrate better and get more done.